Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today I have the Kinder Beauty box to go over with you. Now, this is a vegan, cruelty-free makeup subscription. It costs $26 a month if you go month to month. If you go like 3 months, 6 months, or a year, you get it for a little bit cheaper. And they're said to have up to $165 value per box. So this is the box I got for the month. Now, I did have a little bit of issues with this company. I skipped a month and they ended up sending me the starter box all over again. So I had to contact customer service, and that's why I'm recording this May box so late, is because they had to ship me out another box to replace the box that they originally sent me. The only thing that they did that I didn't like is they asked me to return the other box, which I kind of felt like it was their mistake anyways, that I should be able to keep it because I had to wait extra time. They want me to use my gas and all that stuff to go to the post office. So we'll see how much longer this company is on the channel, but for now, let's go ahead and see what is inside the May box for Kinder. And they have a couple different variations, I'm pretty sure. I'm still newer to the Kinder Beauty box, so I'm still trying to get to know it. I do like that they give you a card with the products and description of each product. Okay, so the first item here is from a brand that I'm familiar with. It's Mud Masky. I have used some of their skincare items and have enjoyed them, but this is called Pure by Mud Masky, and it's Save the Scrub for the Underarm. So this is an underarm scrub. It reduces dark appearances, removes dead skin, odor fighting, deep cleansing, and reduces pesky bumps. So this is what it looks like. And this is valued at $29 for this scrub. I found the Kinder Beauty is a little more skincare heavy, but if you like skincare, I definitely think it's a good box for you. This is an all good, makes everybody better rose hand sanitizer, contains plant extracts. It's 99.9% effective, and this is valued at $4. Okay, this next item here looks like a hair mask from Loba Main, a color vibrant transformation mask. It helps lock in color and intensive repair. And this product is said to value at $12. And this next item here looks like it's a sponge, but it's like a natural exfoliant. It's a konjac sponge. Never really heard of that before. It doesn't have really like a scent to it or anything. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Okay, so it's just a little sponge with a string on it to help exfoliate your body a little bit better, get all that dead skin off. And this is valued at $7.99 for this. And I do have a 2-year-old, so if you hear him in the background, that's him. And then from Able Skincare London, this is a very expensive skincare brand. This is a 2-in-1 glycolic blue light exfoliating and illuminating duo moisturizer, valued at $107. So I'm going to be putting my total box value up in the corner here. That's everything I had for the Kinder Beauty box for the month of May. I am Erin. Thank you so much for watching.